Good morning, friends. We have just learned sixth unit in last lecture. Just start the seventh one, the last clip, written by O. Henry, whose specialties is that mostly in the end para or within three or four lines, we just reveal the message behind the whole story. That is the specialities of O. Henry. Here, in the last clip, he just told a story which is lingering around two friends, namely Shu and John C. Out of among the two, one is very confident, whereas the other is having too much less confidential. Now, John C is somewhat having an idea or just determined by self that as soon as the last leaf on the tree will fall, along with the falling of the leaf, I will die. So her friend, who is also an artist, both these are artists, living together only in the same flat on the third floor. And as to that rubbish thought that comes to John C's mind, she had got pneumonia. She, being a close friend, just try to keep her fresh all the way. But then also, she's not been able to get her read out of her thoughts. Now and then, she just tried to see out of the window when the last leaf will fall, and that is the worry matter for the shoe. He even called to a doctor also, and after checking, John C. doctor has declared that if John C. is determined to live then and then only, she will live. Now, no medicine would be applied on her because she herself has decided now to be leave the earth. Means he has just thought like that along with the last leaf on the tree, I will also fall from the earth. So ultimately, what's happened? And another artist named Boherman is there, who is very old age but a well-known artist who just think many a time many a time means since a long he just having an intention to create a masterpiece which up till now was not been able to create yet. So now Shiv, being an artist, has gone to him and tell the sad story about John C. and her illness and her intention to die. So Hearing this, Bearman come and tell that I have to meet her. I will keep out some way to make her alive or to change her thought. He came, see her, even advise her, but ultimately he also found that Johnsy has now made up her mind to die along with the fall of the last leaf. And it was the month of November, and in a European countries, November is considered as a winter month. So much of the cyclones is there, continuously falling of the ice is also there. So too much cold is there. Now, when he came to see him, hardly 4 to 6 leaves were just leave there, and next day only one was left. To see all these situations, she was too much worried. He tried level her best. He even changed the place of painting from another room to the Johnson's room so that she can try her best to keep an interest to be alive in her friend Johnson's life and in mine. Next day, too much wind was there. Now, Johnsy intends to see the last leaf to be fall on the earth. So when she requested to keep up the curtain to see the last leaf fall, she noted a strange thing that even if too much of strong winds was flowing there, the leaf was not fallen at all. Continuously for 3 days, this has happened only. So now, Johnson's mind has changed, and she believed that this is the message from the God to me that I have to live because all the leaves has fallen, but from last 3 days, even if there is too much strong wind is there, the last leaf is there, just like chopped to the tree. Now all that fears has gone out of her mind, and she even apologized herself from you also that you try level best, but I was a foolish only who didn't follow your advice and give too much burden to you. Next morning, they got the message of died of Beherman from a janitor who came to his house. Now, the exact matter comes to them only that on the same night when he came to see Johnsy, he just determined in his mind that I will draw a leaf exactly at the place where the last leaf fall. So when he came to Johnsy to see her, he just noticed that where the last leaf is there, and exactly on that place only at night, even if it was too cold and strong wind was blowing, Boherman has gone there along with the ladders and colors and everything and drew the yellow type of that leaf. Now what happens that whatever the strong the wind would be, the painted leaf would never fall. and as a result, John C. was alive, but in a strong wind and in a blowing wind, Boherman gone there, so that ultimately caught him too much of cold, and that leads to pneumonia, means fever, and that ultimately led him to the death. But before his death, his masterpiece had created. How can we say that it was a masterpiece? Because just a single leaf has saved a life of a girl. Because of that only we can say that the last leaf was a masterpiece by Behrman throughout his life. He just created many pictures, but that was never go on the track of masterpiece, but only a little leap has keep him up on the top as a creator of the masterpiece of art. This was the story. I just tell you in a brief. Now I have a complaint about you people. In the sixth unit, I already told that I just try my level best to add on many pictures so that you can have an exact idea of the story. Even hard words also I added along with the attached or concerned paragraphs so that you can understand it better way. But at the end of the lessons, I had given you a homework to write the question answer, but not a single question answer from a single student has reached up to me. You can send, if you don't have my numbers, no problem. You can send it either to the Kirti ma'am or to Nilesh sir Jani or to Wally sir. I will have it from them only. Just hope that you will follow my instructions, and after just finishing the 7th unit, the last leaf, you will send me the question answers, because the story I just tell you is nothing else but explanation in detail. The questions are on the basis of the story only. So once the story has just set in the mind, whatever the questions would be there from the lesson, so you must be able to write the answer of that only. So I just hope that you will follow the instruction and send me the questions answer only. Just go ahead now. What we have to learn, just enlarge so that you can learn it proper way. It is autumn. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. This is but natural in the European countries when there is autumns. Even in our country also during autumns, each and every tree just drop down, each and every leaves just became bare only. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. So that happens to this ivy creeper also, that one by one all the leaves has just fallen except one only. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? So what was the reason that all has fallen and only just one remain on that? Shu and John C., two young artists, shared a small flat, means living together in a flat only. The flat was on the third story of an old house, not a flat only but an old house which has 3 floors. So on the third floor they live together. Chauncey fell very seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia, a type of fever. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Shiv, her friend, became very worried. That is called the friend only, because whenever anything happened to us, a real friend is just felt like that it's happened to my body also. So in November it's happened to John C. has got pneumonia, just remained idly in the bed, and seeing her, she was also too much worried. What to do of her? She can't understand. She sent for the doctor when she called upon a doctor for her. Although he came every day, there was no change in Johnson's condition. Doctor came daily visit to check Johnson, but he found no changes in her condition. One day the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worry Johnsy?" So after continuous visit for so many days, one day he called Sue aside and asked her that, "Tell me if John C. is worrying about anything." "No," replied Sue. "But why do you ask?" The doctor said, "John C., it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to get well." Means as a doctor, he just realized that what's the mentality of the patient, and he just revealed the matter to her close friend to Susie. If she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her. Means whatever the medicine I will apply, but if she has decided not to live on earth, then no medicine would work on her. Shiv tried her best to make Jhansi take an interest in things around her. Being a close friend and a real friend, Shiv tried her best to make her happy. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Jhansi did not respond because she just determined to die only. Jhansi continued to lie still in her bed. She just lie in bed only. Shu brought her drawing board into Jhansi's room and started painting. So just to make her more happy and have a look on her each and every minute, Shu, her drawing board brought from her room to the Johnson's room. To take Johnson's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. Along with working, she just whistling just to make her happy. Suddenly, Shu heard Johnsy whisper something while drawing on a canvas. Shu heard some whispering from Johnsy. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. When of the worrying, when she go or rush to bed, she heard the counting but inversely, means backwardly. He was just counting the numbers. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. When Shu went to her, Chauncey was looking out of the window and was just counting the number like this 12. After some time she whispered 11. First she spoke 12. After some time she slowly speak like 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Like that only, very slowly she just count. What was it? Falling off the leaves. Shiv anxiously looked out of the window. That what she look and count this inversely or backwardly the number. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. So what she saw outside, that a ivy creeper was there which was climbing almost halfway up the brick, means from brick only it took the protection or the support of the brick only, and with the support of that brick it has climbed halfway up to the wall, and where the wall was just opposite to the window where Johnsy was sleeping. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. That is but natural. Why it was shedding the leaves? Because it's a autumn. Sorry, it's a autumn only. In the strong wind was there, as we are in summer only. The creeper was shedding its leaf. This, who has seen this, she has see when she looked out of the window that the strong wind was blowing and the ivy creeper was shedding its leaves along with the strong blowing of wind. What is it, dear? She asked. Along with worry only, she asked, along seeing outside the falling or shading of trees. What's the matter to you, dear? 6, whispered Johnsy, but in reply, she just continued counting. Up till 7, she had counted and stopped. Now it comes to 6. They are falling faster now. Means she is just informing to the shoe that the leaves are now falling very faster as to the strong wind. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. Means before 3 days, when I just try or see or have a look at the ivy creeper, I had seen that there were 100 of leaves on it, but now within 3 days all had fallen down. There are only 5 left now. Means only 5 leaves are left on the ivy creeper. It's autumn, said she, and the leaves will fall. She just revealed the natural suspense. What she just explained, like in a tone of explanation, she informing to the Johnsy that it is autumn near, and but naturally the leaves will fall. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. Means just broad her eyes with finality. Whenever any person is speaking, his eyes are always broad, and with the same expression of eyes, see Johnsy also express her willing. What she told to Johnsy what she told to Shu, that when the last leaf will fall, I will also die. I have known this for the last 3 days. Means she has already known, means determined from 3 days only, that my death will come along with the fall of last leaf. Oh, that nonsense, replied Shu. Now Shu just shocked of her answer or explanations, and she just told that it's a nonsense to speak like that. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? Means there is no any connection with the shading of the leaves of that ivy creeper and your getting well, whether it's a falling or not, is not a single touch or any connection with the falling of the the leaves of ivy creeper and your health. The doctor is confident that you will get better, and moreover she just explained or informing her that I talked to doctor, and as per the doctor's opinion he is very confidential about your well-being, means you will sure be getting better day by day. Jansi did not say anything. So, after hearing this about the doctor's opinion about her health, but after hearing all this, Jansi didn't say even a word to her. She went and brought a bowl of soup. Meanwhile, Shu went in kitchen and brought a bowl of soup so that she can get an energy. I don't want any soup, said Chauncey. Chauncey said, saying this, serving the bowl of soup, that I don't want don't want to have any soup. I am not hungry at all. Now there are only 4 leaves left. Means now only 4 left, and as soon as the 4 will fall, I will also fall, means I will also die. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. And she just thought internally like that, and even wished to see the last one to be fall on the earth before it's getting dark. Then I will sleep forever. Means as soon as the last leaf on the ivy creeper will fall, I will sleep, but forever, will never get up after that only. Just see if this is the picture of window we just talked about, in which she is just lying, that's a Chauncey only, and back to her, that standing one is a shoe. Chauncey is just looking out to the ivy creeper and the shading of the leaves, and just along with that only she is talking also with her friend. See now, Shu sat on Chauncey's bed, kissed her and said, now hearing this, because of worry and affection to her best friend, Shu now sat on Chauncey's bed, kissed her, means show her love for her, and said, you are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. Just inform that much that you are not going to die along with the last leaf falling. And I can't draw the curtain, means can't keep up the curtain, because I need the light also. I want to finish the painting. She even intends to finish the painting and get some money for us. They are artists only, and their life are going on selling of the painting they have created. So just informing to her friend that I want to finish the painting so that after selling she gets some money and can spend on her friend. Please, my dear friend, she begged Chauncey. Now she just come ultimately on these situations that she has to beg, that promise not to look out of the window while I paint. Just I want to have the promise from you, a simple type of promise that you will not try to look out of the window while I paint, because along with the painting she can't look after her. That's why she just request her. All right, said John C. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. But she accepted the request only, or begging, but along with accepting the begging of Sue, she just told that all right, what your request is there, I just sanction it, but you must finish your painting as early as possible, because before I die, I want to see the last leaf fall. I am tired of waiting, because I am just waiting from last 3 days, and it's my last wish to see the fall of last leaf. I have to die, means anyhow, anyway, along with the last leaf fall, I have to die. So let me go away peacefully, like one of those poor tired lives. Means whatever the lives we are living, I am just tired of that living only, and I just want to leave the world peacefully. So let me go peacefully by granting me a wish to see the last leaf fall. Okay, friends, up to this much only we are just skipping in a part 1. It's a bigger lessons only, all this I just finish here only. What you have to see, just read 1 or 2 times, see full the lecture instead of 1-2 times, so that you can have the clear idea about the story, though I already told you the brief story in the beginning. Hope you will follow and send me after finishing the second part. You have to send me question answers. Thank you.